A very good morning to you. ZAVPU 4311. Now, this is one of those opportunities not to be missed. The father is an imported Princess Kittelcock. His first baby we bred last season was the best hotspot average ace at Supper Summer. The father's daughter was also 3 times equal on the drop. She won a lot of money for one of the punters that we bred it for. Her mother is a granddaughter to Super Sprint 264. Her first child at Supper was 7th final. So we're sitting here with a sire of first hotspot ace, mated to the mother of 7th final Supper. This is not nice, this is super special. A class hen, very well balanced. She's a bit of a ringler as well, as all good pigeons are. Very well balanced. The tail doesn't even move, doesn't matter what you do. Silky soft feathers. Absolute fantastic wing. This is a hen that I actually consider to keep for myself for stock. If she don't sell, I will definitely keep her. I'm convinced she's going to breed many winners. 2 proven breeders, first nest, both father and mother Supper. Good luck to the purchaser on this super hen.